Hello and welcome back to my channel. Look what we got in the mail, you guys. I'm so excited. We got the new Planything subscription box in the mail today. So we are going to take a peek inside. Super excited. This wrapping is always so cute. And it goes with the theme too, which I think is adorable. So first we have, Planything I think she used to do subscription boxes is what I heard, but she recently just started doing them again. And so this is the second month. The first month was a book theme package and it was so cute and I loved it. When you sign up, you do have to commit to 2 months, but I am going to continue mine because I really like these, and her washi tape is my favorite. She does have a washi tape subscription as well that you could sign up for, but since I got washi tape in here, I figured I would stick with this for now. So we'll see. Okay, but you get this cute little post-it pad. So cute. And then you get the 3 washies. So you get this one that has like the sea star, a shell, some different shells on there. It's cute. And then blue and white striped, and then the like graph paper. Yeah, why can't I'm blanking on what this one's called. But you know what I mean. So those are so cute. This video will be really quick. I was thinking we could plan with it though, with the sticker book and stuff. But let's see. You get 3 like construction papers that have the cute designs. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then you have the water with the beach and the house. Oh my gosh, I want to like frame that. That's so pretty. And then you have the squiggly lines, like waves looking. And then the boats, seagulls, some clouds, and the lighthouses. Those are really cute. This one's my favorite. So stinking pretty. It's like glossy too. Ah, so pretty. I want to stay at that house. And then we have the sticker book. And the book will be slightly smaller just because it is in the subscription. So we have Planything Seaside Bliss, 400 stickers, 20 sticker sheets. Oh, so pretty. And all of this is going to go together, obviously. Oh. And you'll get 2 pages. These are on clear. Cute. Oh my gosh, I love those seagulls. Cute. I like the lighthouses. 2 pages, all on clear again. And then some of these ocean waters. They're like little corner pieces. So you like, oop, see? Just like a little corner of sand and water in your little beach space. So you get 2 of those. And then these, ooh, these have like a texture to them. Weird. They like bump up a little bit. They're not just like flat stickers. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Weird. Okay, I really like those. Those are cool. And then we have some of her boxes and bullets. 2 pages of those that coordinate. And then these cute beach scenes. Love these. So pretty. 2 pages. Everything's been unclear except for the boxes so far. Ooh, the waves. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. It looks like, you know, like these could go together. Another 2 pages. Yep, I was right. Ugh. There's that house. Literally any of these houses I would stay in. Oh my gosh, look at that one. So freaking pretty. So 2 of those. And then we have fun in the sun, in the mood for summer, summer vibes, summer squad, summer holidays, hello summer, summertime madness. These ones feel bumpy too. Oh my gosh. 2 pages of those, and then can you, it's like, you can't see that. It's like glittery. Oh, there we go. It's got like the smallest little hint of glitter, and it's like a dark gray, almost like light black. It's not like a deep black. I like these a lot. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. And then you get 2 pages of those. Awesome. Okay, let's quickly plan with them. Why not? Okay, so I think I'm actually gonna do the week of 4th of July, which seems a little weird, I know, but our plan is to, let's see, so 1, 2, 3, Wednesday we're going to a fireworks show. Thursday is 4th of July, and I think we're gonna go down to the beach and visit one of my boyfriend's coworkers, and he was telling us about his cute town that he lives in, and they do like a market and have like a whole like festival kind of thing going on down there. So I think we're doing that Thursday. And then Saturday we're going to my aunt's beach house to just hang out with some family for a couple hours. So I already did a 4th of July in my monthly, and I did it in my small on-the-go planner as well. So I think that's what we're working with. So part of me kind of wants to use this paper, but I'm also like nervous to cut it up. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. Well, okay, I don't think we'll cut it up. Ah, I get nervous. It's just so cute, you know? Okay, let's start with stickers and washi. We will open these washi tapes too. Should I use, I think I'm going to use the actual beach, like beach house ones, because I think those are just so cute. I can't get over it. Use that. Yeah, instead of like the lighthouses and stuff, I think we're going to use like the beach theme one. So here we go. I'm so excited. Okay. And I am using an undated what am I using? An undated vertical from the Happy Planner right now. These ones. Okay. I just think, look at the little palm trees in the sunglasses. I just can't get over it. Okay. I'm gonna try and not use any other sticker book, but I'm a tad nervous when it comes to boxes. I guess I could use some of those too. The color waves are gonna be the same. So here we go. Let's just start laying stuff down, shall we? I also got a Color Book Plan package today, but that will be its own separate video. Can I lower this? There we go. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's really cute. I think we're going to start with that. Can do like a whole scene. I'm really bad at creating scenes. I wish I was better at it, because I think scenes in planner spreads look so freaking cute. But it's just like not, I do my best, you guys. I do my best. It is Friday. So the Friday before this week, actually. And honestly, probably the same day this video is going to go up. Because I'm really excited about this package. let that dry for a second. And then I think, Ooh. I think just like that. What do we think? And I like these surfboards a lot too. So I was thinking we could kind of like put these together. So I want to cover that line as well. I feel like I'm not good with the Jelly Roll white pens. I don't know if I just like, I push too hard. I don't know, but I feel like I never get it covered enough. Yeah, but my whiteout stick is in my backpack from work still. I don't think I have another one over here. Look, but there's my phone. Yeah. And I also have my little knife we can use if need be today. I'm just gonna kind of layer these up like that. So, and, ooh, I forgot about these two. Okay, that's a cute little beach scene. Now, let's see. What if we take this one and like, I guess we could like, ooh, continue the beach scene if we wanted to. Because this is all like the rocks and sandy portion. That's really cute. Can you see that? Look how cute those shells in the sand are. Oh my goodness. We need to use some of this washi tape too. Oh, my washi tape cutter is also in my bag. Oh my goodness. Okay. We will hold while I go grab my essentials. Okay, here is my Live Love Posh washi cutting card. And let's see if my whiteout is in here as well. I guess I could have already grabbed that out too, huh? And what's I actually ordered. So this one, oh dang it, where is it? Uh-oh. Okay, well, I don't know where my whiteout is. That's not good. Oh well. For right now, we won't worry about it. So, I got a Live Love Posh package recently, and this was one of my items that I purchased. They were on, I wanted one for so long, and so they were on sale, so I finally bit the bullet and I bought one. And then I was so excited. When I did another purchase, I did a second purchase before their sale ended. Why can I not find the end of this? I thought I had it, and now I'm like, nope. Oh yeah, it's right there. But I was so excited about it, I bought another one because they were on sale. What's up, buddy?
Hello. When I do recording, can you look at my Fortnite combo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fortnite. But yeah, so I have another one coming as well. So basically you just put it where you want to cut it and you rip. And then same with this one. You put it and there we go. So I like them a lot. I think they are so smart. Like, but I also got one of their like planner covers for my A5 planner, and it has like little card slots in it. And it's kind of bent. I bent it a little bit. Shoot, what was I saying? Oh, it has card slots, so I'm gonna keep one in my on the go planner, and then one on my desk. So I always have one. Okay, let's see. I think I like the idea of doing it up here, like right there. And then let's see. Do I have tweezers? Yes, I do. Let's see here. Yeah, I think we're gonna put it there, but I want to try and wipe that out so that line isn't so harsh with my sticker. I work tomorrow, even though it's Friday. I do still have to work tomorrow. We only have half days on Saturdays though, so that's not so bad, but I'm just like counting down the days for next week. With 4th of July on the 4th, obviously we get it, or on Thursday I meant to say, we get it off. We get 4th of July off at my work, and nobody had took any days off, so I took the 5th off. So now I get a long weekend, so I'm pretty excited about that. We're gonna have 4 days to hang out and do fun stuff with the kids. And I think we're finally getting our biggest kid this weekend too. Finally. I feel like we haven't seen him in forever because he's just been like super busy and going on vacations. So I'm pretty excited to get to see him. I want to hear all about his New York trip and how that went. Ooh, I need a house. I have to use a house. So freaking pretty. I could use a smaller house. Like mush it in with that one. Where my tweezers go? But that kind of seems weird, huh? The house should be like up here. So I should have done that one over in a big house. Shoot. Huh. Let's do some function. Let's add some function in, shall we? I love these, but I kind of don't want to use them in this spread. I want to keep it more like light. Fun in the sun, in the mood for summer. Summer squad, summertime madness. Summer holidays would be good because the 4th of July is a holiday. So we'll snag that one out. And I think we're gonna use, I love that too. This whole thing is just gonna be like deco everywhere. I think I'm just going to do my checklist down the middle today. I think that's what's gonna happen. Ooh, shoot. Uh-oh. How is everybody? Work has been super busy. Shoot. Oh, I guess I do have 2 pages. It's fine. 4. Yeah, work's been really busy and mayhem just like so much mayhem lately. So I've been in like a funk, and on Wednesday I had the day off, but since I worked this weekend and I was just like so exhausted, and you know, I'm not good at delegating. I'm not good at it. I can admit it. I admitted it to my manager. I was like, hey, I need to work on this. Because I just think I can do everything and I should do everything, or, you know, I kind of bend over backwards for my team, and they need to be able to do things when I'm not there. So I am working on it. I am a work in progress, but it did kind of like wear me down this week. So I am just enjoying the moment before I cook dinner and clean my house. Not too much cleaning though, just some laundry mostly. Which, if you have kids, I feel like the laundry is never done. Like, there's always something to be washed, something that, you know, needs to be folded or put away or whatever, just all the time. So, the joys of children. I mean, really, I didn't need check marks on every day, because Thursday morning, I don't know. Okay, we'll leave them. We shall leave them, guys. Or maybe I just won't do checklists on the weekend. We'll see. Okay, so I want bib box over here. Ooh, are those? Yeah, that's the same color. Hi, big guy. Just a puppy saying hello. Hi. Oh, hi. Goodness. Now you're gonna get hair everywhere. Go. Go. I'll snuggle you in a little bit. Every now and then our German Shepherd is just like, hey, I'm like super demanding of your attention right now. That still wasn't straight, and I tried really hard to get it straight. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Oh, there it is. Did I find it? I have never had this much trouble trying to find the edges of a washi tape before. Like, I usually find them pretty quick. There we go. I was thinking of adding some of this in there too. Just as like a little contrast. What do we think? But maybe like rip it. Where's my washi card? Maybe. Guess we could leave it in there, huh? Ooh, that was a lot. Could do it on this side this time. Oops, that's straight. That one's straight, so I can just line that up. That's as good as that's getting. There we go. Okay. Let's see. I don't need too many boxes on, or like much on my sidebar, really, in general. But let's see, I know I want a box on Thursday. And I know I want a box on Saturday. Oh, not there. Because, oh shoot. I might do a checklist there. I guess I should figure that out first, huh? Maybe that's not straight. We could do 2, I guess. Oh, okay. Oh, Wednesday I need a box. 2. Okay, we'll use this one. So Wednesday needs a box. And I think we're going to use bullets for my work schedule. Actually. I have, let's see, I probably have one. I just want one that says work. Well, I could use this week though. I'll use it this week. For here. These are some of my Planner Kate stickers. I like adding these in, or like just as with headers and things like that. Well, I thought this was going to be really quick, but you know, have we met me? Oh, we need one of these too. Thought I had. Maybe I'm thinking of that. I could, yeah, we'll do that. I take the work and I just trim it. Oops. Because I can't work from home, so I never need those stickers. But I think I'm going to put this here. Put it up a little bit. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's not straight. Okay. And then we can do work like that. Washi cutting card. Where did that go? Oh, there it is. One day. This will be. Maybe do it like that. But like this. Oh, it folded. I was like, wasn't this just shorter? Yeah. Okay, I like that. Work. And then we can do Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Alright, so there's that. I think this sidebar is good. I could put a house there. I might do that. That little house. Or those seashells would be cute too. I really want to use those sunglasses. Let's see. Let's see how this house would fit. Oh, that was almost like really bad. Yeah, I think we'll just put the house there. And we'll cut that. Trim that off the side. Perfect. Need some boxes and things up top with some deco, I think. We could do like that little box with that. Ooh. Or really, we could do this smaller box. Oh, I forgot I have, since there's not much space, I have this round ones too. I always forget to use the round ones because I'm not, I don't know. I don't think I'm very good at using the round ones. Like, do people layer them? Is that what we do? What we do? Is that a thing? Oh, but then I can't put that there. I could put it up top because I don't need that many boxes for Thursday. And then maybe lower. Shoot. Will it let me lower it? Okay. There we go. So we have 2 boxes there. And then we can do summer holidays. Oh, we have too many stickers on my fingers right now. Saturday, we'll use this big gray one. Oh, can you hear that? My dog is growling for some reason. Why are you so mad? I feel like I should do to-dos on Sunday for sure. But really, I want Sunday to be like a rest day. So, I don't know. I'll put that guy up there. And then Thursday. Okay, Friday I don't think we have anything planned either. Payday goes on Wednesday. Do we have a tiny little, good, those sunglasses here. Because they're just so cute. So cute. Okay. And I thought about maybe these like seashells. We could do them there. That would be cute. And let's see. I kind of like the idea of like taking it all the way across the page there, but then it wouldn't be on this side, you know? Would that bother me? I don't know. There's so many stickers I want to use. Oh my gosh. Let's see. My desk has boxes and stickers everywhere. Oh shoot, I pulled that way too quick. I'm annoyed I can't find my whiteout thing. I have no idea where I put that. And I used to have a bunch, so it's like, where did they all go? Okay, that's as good as that's gonna get. Oh, but I wanted to do that one too. Oh, we have another white pen. Ooh, this one might work better. Ooh, there we go. So I've been watching a lot of bullet journal YouTube, and bullet journaling is how I got into creative journaling in the first place. So it's been a lot of fun watching it and just, okay, I like that. I think that came out cute. And ew, I guess we could do a small box here for Sunday. And then some bullet points. Oh, there's these tiny cute little shells too. I think we're gonna incorporate right there. Why not? Oh, wait. We have the towels. We could do the towels. Huh. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, maybe not. Could do them here though. Why not? Put them there. But yeah, so I've been watching like a ton of bullet journal YouTube, and it's just been like making my little heart so happy. And yeah, it's the reason I didn't stick with bullet journaling was because I thought I had to physically draw everything, and I was like, I can't do this. I don't have enough time in the day to make this happen. So I should have put that one there. Oh well. Now I'm putting too much deco. Okay, go back. But anyways, I was like, I don't have enough time for all of this on a regular basis. Like, it's not working. So I ended up not continuing with bullet journaling, and just this light blue one. So I didn't continue bullet journaling, but then I found decorative planning like this, and I like was sucked in. But I keep like trying to go back to bullet journaling here and there, and I'm like, one day, like I love bullet journaling so much. I think it is just so fun. I think I'm gonna do the big box on Friday, actually. You know? Because I have it. I could do this. No. Yeah, let's do this darker one. I very rarely put my box like right in the square it's supposed to go in. Very, very rarely does that happen. Okay, now I have this one that I could put here. No, I don't like those layers like that. Okay, that's better. Maybe. I could layer that, or put that the other way. Shoot. Could put it that way instead. So I have more space here. So I don't know. Oh yeah, Saturday we're going to the beach. So that means a big box. I'm hopeful that we're going to the beach. Okay, I'm gonna use some of this. Too much washing? But I have like these cute little strips that I'm like, oh, I could just add them here and there. Could be cute. There we go. That's kind of fun. Okay. Not all of them needs it. Ugh, okay. Where was I? I need my headers for my to-dos. Maybe just do a couple on Saturday. And oops, I should have used these colors here. Well, dang it. Oh, we'll do 1, 2 on Saturday, and 1, 2 on Sunday. Oh goodness, I leaned too far back in my chair. Scared me a little bit. We could put this, no, because of that. I guess we could swap them, but let's see. This is all gonna be beach themey stuff, or like, you know, I wish I would have used one of those big houses. And let's see. fun in the sun. Oh, I don't have space for that. Shoot. I'm regretting putting that there. I do have and do. It's so strong, you guys. Like, so strong. So if you're ever curious, like, it's not even allowed to be sold in California. So if that tells you anything. And you should be able to, like, it'll dry and you can lift up. You can like lift up the sticker. Oh, maybe I might not have used enough, but it just smells so bad. Oh, jeez. Oh. Ooh. Sorry, you got my head. I told my boyfriend this was going to be a really quick video. And he probably knew that was a lie. I literally just said that. I was like, I told my boyfriend it was going to be quick. Oh, there we go. Okay. There we have it, guys. There is the undo. Whew. So, sticker can still be stuck to stuff. I thought about moving those, but I just don't want to keep using undo because it just smells terrible. Yeah. Ugh. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of peeling up okay, isn't it? Ooh. Mostly.
Honey.
Hi, honey.
I love you.
What time is it? Hello. It is a new day. I did not finish this spread last night, but I did use some undo to get some of these stickers off. So we're just gonna wrap up today. Yeah, I was informed what time it was, and I still had to cook dinner. So I figured while the undo set, and that it's strong, guys. It is strong. I found like an old bottle of it, so I've been trying to use that. But I don't know if they like remade it or what, but this stuff is so strong. So it still worked though. It got it off and here we are. So I was gonna do, oh, the sticker still smells like it a little bit. We need some light, don't we? Okay, is that better? I think that's better. You guys can see me mostly. Yeah, anyways, I'm not gonna go on a rant about my shelf. Okay. What was I gonna do now? I could not tell you anything that I said yesterday. Couldn't tell you. No idea. So we're not even going to attempt to continue anything about what was happening. Today is Saturday. I had to work today, but the rest of my house was home. I don't think either one of these are doing anything. The rest of my house was home. And my boyfriend worked on our garage, which was amazing. And he like cleaned up and did some stuff. And then when I think I want this one. When I got home, I continued cleaning because I have like a whole corner in my garage. I have an Etsy shop. I sell like bookish items and cups, tumblers, you know, shirts, things like that. And so I have a whole corner of our garage, and it's just a lot going on. So we kind of reorganized that today. I really want, because I think I could do it like that. Do you think that looks terrible? Oh, I also feel like this should be down here now. But I don't think I'm not gonna attempt to move it. So I think we're just gonna go like this instead. We'll use those on that side. And we have this little guy too, so we can use him as well. This guy can go back in the box. Oh no, that's what I wanted over here. Eee! I really want to use 2 circles because I used 2 circles on that side. I forgot I was gonna put a quote down. But I have that one there. Dang it. Okay. I was thinking of Summer Vibes. Oh no, Fun in the Sun. That's the one I was looking at yesterday. Let's see how big. This one looks pretty big. Ooh, I could do it there. And just do a little kind of overlaps a little. But ooh, shoot. But I think that would be okay. Yeah, that's okay. I don't hate that, but now there's like 0 space for a box. Huh. Ugh. My life right now. My stickering life is not the best. This is not... 4th of July, okay. I was like, wait, it is 4th of July week, but we're not doing anything. Oh no, I kind of ripped that one. Shoot. I kind of want to use it though. You know? Like that. Just do like a bunch of boxes. What do we think? I don't know about that box actually. That can go back into, but okay. Kind of. Oh no. Yeah, we're gonna scrap these because that's not working. How is it still so stinking sticky? Okay. Goodbye, round one. Let's see. This sticker book has so many good stickers in it. I'm just like, man, I really wanted to use the round ones because I used them on that side. I guess I could go like that. There we go. I want to put a box here, but I'm also like, it's not needed. I have a box up there already, and I don't want these 2 colors next to each other. So we're gonna put some of these back in here, and this box is too big. We could use this one. What do we think? Do I need this box though? I don't think I need that box. I don't need it. That's fine. I'm not... If I end up hating that empty space, I can just put washing there. So, Seaside Bliss, but we need dates. We need some dates in here. Let's see. What date stickers do I have, actually? Here we go. Mojo Jojo date data. This is, I think this is like one of the only, if not the only date sticker book I have. So I should get more of those, especially because I'm using an undated planner right now. Ooh, these are gonna work. Ooh, or this tan. I think we're gonna use this tan. So this is the 1st because it is June, or July, I mean. Yay for July 1st. We don't have anything. I think we're gonna do s'mores in a little bit. We already ate dinner. But we were in our, oh yeah, so I have an Etsy shop. It takes up a bunch of the garage, so we spent a ton of time cleaning and organizing and getting rid of stuff, and like hours out there. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. It looks so much better. I'm like motivated to do some crafty stuff, and yeah. I like put my Cricut out there and I'm super excited. So we don't have anything planned tomorrow. So I'm thinking of just like opening my garage doors and kind of hanging out in there and doing some crafty stuff and kind of seeing what happens. So I'm very excited. Let's see, we will take this July as well. That matches. And it's a little bit darker than that, but I don't hate it, you know? I like it. I kind of want to change the dates too, but I feel like that'll be way too much. We have this lighter color though that we could use. So we have that, or I have like these ones as well. I think we're gonna go with the black ones, actually. Okay. Oh my gosh, I was real nervous, guys, to peel that, because I was not sure what was gonna happen. Next, the week after this, I start school again. I had 2 weeks off as like a summer vacation kind of thing, I guess. But I'm considering using my dashboard next week just so I can keep track, because we have a lot going on. I have school and work the first half of the week, or all week actually. So I have school and work all week, but then we're packing to go on our vacation. So we leave a week from the 6th. So we'll see. Hi, honey. All right. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. That, I think, is a spread. It looks so cute. I'm so excited. So we use the new Planything Seaside Bliss. So remember, the subscription box comes with the 400 stickers, the 3 sheets. This is so stinking pretty. And 3 washi tapes. 1, 2, 3. And then this post-it note. All right. Again, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.